Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. Do y'all remember Boston Market? I do. I can't remember if I remember it fondly or not. But I do remember liking their meatloaf. And the restaurant may be gone, but you can make this meatloaf at home. Here we have 1 cup tomato sauce, combined with 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And basically you want to heat this over medium heat until the sauce just starts to bubble, kill the heat, and allow to cool. Alright, in a mixing bowl we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. To that I added 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I also added 6 tablespoons of flour, and then I am going to add roughly about 75% of that sauce that we just recently made. And then you want to turn this on a low speed and mix until everything is just mixed together. Okay, now we get a meatloaf pan ready. We also have preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And we're just going to now shape our meatloaf. In reality, any loaf pan will work. But I do highly recommend, if you do like meatloaf and eat it on the regular, to get a meatloaf pan. It just makes everything a lot easier. Again, you can pick one up for like $15 on Amazon. A lot of big box department stores sell them. Or you could go to any kitchen shop and be able to pick one up. So, again, if you like meatloaf, I love meatloaf. So, good idea to invest in the loaf pan. Okay, now we're going to take the remaining 25% of the sauce we had and pour it over the top of said loaf. Again, if I had to redo this, I would probably wait to the last 10 minutes of cooking, but I went with the recipe, not my gut. So, and then we're going to pop this into the oven for 60 minutes. And after the 60 minutes are up, we're going to let it cool for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve it up. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, our meatloaf is done. It did break apart when I tried to get it out of the meatloaf pan. It was not dry. It was absolutely delicious. There were no leftovers on this. Everyone devoured it. So, that's Boston Market's meatloaf. Done.